Alright, so I just got me a generator. 3500 50 running watts and maximum 5250. Got 4 household plugs and then the normal 240 volt circular. I had a special adapter made for that circular plug to power that big monster air conditioner right there, because that's what I wanted to use it for. It's pretty sweet. It's made by, it's a generic, but I guess that's part of Troy Built. It's pretty nice. So basically what I did, a little bit of electrical work here, basically converted the 20 amp NEMA L14-20R, which is provided on the generator. Needed a male connector end on it, and then on the other end would be the 20 amp NEMA 6-20R plug for the air conditioner. So there's a connector for the generator, and there's my connector for the air conditioner. It's a 25-foot cable for to run the extension piece. But I want to go ahead and fire this thing up, and we'll see if I can handle the load of a big 18,000 BTU air conditioner. Alright, go ahead and plug this in. Get it twisted in, locked in. And we'll connect the air conditioner connector. Alright, we are set. And we'll go ahead and crank it up. I go ahead and power this on. Good, good. 72 degrees. Awesome. I was told by a few electricians that making this type of adapter to run, because it's got 2 hots, a neutral, and a ground, and then converting it to a 3-prong, basically 2 hots and a ground. Get that off there. That it wouldn't be to code. Well, I don't really need it to code, because this is going to be going to Mexico, and down there codes really don't exist. But yeah, power goes out a good bit down there, and there's really nothing that can power something this strong unless you have special wiring done for the house, and that costs a good bit of money down there. So but yeah, that's basically the sole purpose. All we did was tie the neutral in to the ground, so that way it is properly grounded and it works just fine. So yeah, neat little experiment that's a success.